Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to install Minikube on a Windows 11 computer. So I'm just following official documentation steps to install on my Windows computer. So before starting of this session we need to do a pre-checks of minimum requirements to install before this. So anyway, I'm just already Docker for Windows desktop is running in my computer. So I made with this container runtime. So next I'm going with installation. We have a Windows operating system 64-bit and I'm going with a stable release. I'm just choosing here we have three different options. I'm just choosing Chocolatey to install on my computer. So I'm just installing Chocolatey with elevated access as a administrator. So it will take a minute or two to install Chocolatey on my computer. Sorry, Minikube on my computer. So once Minikube installation is done through Chocolatey, just type Minikube and do a validation whether it is working or not. Now we are able to see the response now. So in the next step we need to run Minikube start command to start our Minikube cluster. So type Minikube start, it will try to create a Kubernetes version of 1.28.3. It will download this image, it will create a container, and then we can start interacting with our Kubernetes cluster. I'm just pausing this video till it get completed. So now this Minikube got installed and it is saying done and it is configured. Go and check like. So let me try kubectl config get hyphen context. Now we are able to see this thing. So next type kubectl get pod in all namespaces. With this we are done with installation of Minikube in our computer. And if you want to stop or do any commands, you can simply follow the documentation where they will show how you can pause your cluster, unpause it, and how you can stop, and how you can set configuration memory, delete all your clusters. So let me try stopping my cluster. Minikube stop. It is powering off my Minikube. Done. Let me check kubectl get pods hyphen a. No, I'm not getting any response. So let me close my command prompt and again I will do Minikube start. You see my Minikube is getting restarted. It will take a few minutes to power on and again activate our Kubernetes cluster. Yeah, done. So let me type kubectl get kubectl config get hyphen context kubectl get pod in all namespaces. Yeah, so with this we are done with Minikube install and activate our Kubernetes cluster in Windows 11 environment. Thanks for watching.